Hey girl, hey. So I am starting off this routine with a scalp massage. I'm going to be using the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil from Mielle Organics. This is infused with biotin and it's made to encourage hair growth. Now I'm starting with the scalp massage because adding in oil will lubricate and condition my scalp. Also, whenever you massage with your finger pads, it helps to enhance the blood circulation, which can increase your hair growth and also just strengthen the roots of your hair. Next, I'm going to move into pre-cooling my hair. I'm using the AseaMae Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. Now, this is specially formulated to actually penetrate your hair strands, and it's really great to use in place of water. So I'm just wetting my hair with that and starting to smooth it through in hopes to decrease the amount of breakage by just gently loosening tangles with my fingers. Now, once I've detangled my hair, I'm going to move on to the shampooing process. I'm going to be using the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Shampoo. This is a strengthening shampoo, which is also infused with biotin, and I'm using a very generous amount and applying that directly to my scalp. Now, I'm also lightly pulling my hair down as I rub it into the scalp. That way, I'm not creating tangles as I'm massaging it in. I'm really focused on retaining length. So this routine is very much so catered to gently handling my hair. Once I've got the shampoo in all the way together, it's time for another massage. And this time I'm going to be using a tool. This is from Babyliss and it is a scalp massager. So I'm just going to use that to gently massage my scalp, working in that shampoo. And another tip is to add a little bit of peppermint oil to the shampoo before you put it in. I did add a few drops off camera because I want that tingle. After I rinsed out the shampoo, it's time to deep condition, and I am using the same Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask from the line, and I'm applying it kind of like a relaxer, just putting it on the roots of my hair and smoothing it down, really making sure that every single strand is coated. Now, I do have low porosity hair, so I twisted up my hair and I applied a shower cap, and then I added heat with a thermal heating cap. So I allowed this to sit on literally for 30 minutes, and this is what my hair looks like. It's very, very shiny. I styled with the Mielle Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream, and it turned out great.
Let us know if you'll be giving this a try in the comments below, and we'll catch you in the next video.